If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for SOFI Technologies with the ticker symbol SOFI. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. And here we go again, guys. We're looking at SOFI Technologies. This is kind of like one of my favorite stocks to do a TA on because it's very predictable. You can see that the major pattern is still holding. We had this spike right here, and then we went inside of a flatter channel. So we're still inside the channel, so it's really nothing bullish to be a bull about. We're still working down in this downtrend channel. We've been getting rejected from the EMA several times in the past, so we are coming back near it. We actually did close near it on Friday, so see that several times we've been getting rejected from the EMA, and we've been working lower. So we are back near the EMA. However, the thing about this is I believe it's a little different than before because we came up short on the resistance side of the channel, or the support side, which is what bounces the prices back up. So since we came up short here, I think the good news is that eventually we're going to see, or very soon, we're going to see a break of this pattern. And the break of the pattern might lead SOFI all the way up to the $9 level. So I can see it come back up to the $9 level because you can see the short sellers that entered here, and they have their entry orders here, and if the market comes back to it, it wants to hit their break-even stops or orders that are left unfilled from the short sellers. So looks like they want to probably come back up to the $9 level. So in the short term, I am slightly bullish, but the bad news is that if we do get a break of this pattern, we're probably still going to retest these lows or even exceed it. So even though the good news is that it looks like the market is pulling back, the broader market, and SOFI will definitely take advantage of that, and we're going to see higher prices. But even if we do get a break of this pattern and we come back up to the $9 level, that's where I think this pullback can go. Then we could sell off and exceed the prior lows, because normally we don't just break a nice healthy channel like this and just go back up to the highs. Usually we get the break of the pattern and then we get a retest of these lows, maybe some type of double bottom or triple bottom pattern before reversing. Now that doesn't happen all the time. A reason why we wouldn't get a retest of the lows is that there's a very strong support level that overrides the downtrend. If I scroll to the left of the chart, there's absolutely no support on the left side of this chart. It's a blank screen, so there's really no support here, and the market is trying to identify where these price levels are. But as right now, there's no support level, so that's why I'm thinking we're not going to just reverse from here. I think we're going to get the break of the pattern, pull back probably up to the $9 level. We don't even have to get up there. I mean, we can also get rejected from the EMA and the channel again, but I mean, we've done it so many times before. Once it gets too predictable, it's not going to happen all the time. So this might be the chance for us to get the break of the pattern. Most likely it's going to fail, and we're going to get a retest of these lows. So that's why I wouldn't be celebrating just because we see a rally out of here. You can see that we met the measured move also. Again, TA and technical analysis is not random. I've shown you guys numerous times. You can see that right when we hit the tip of this measured move, right around that $5.63 level, we exceeded it just a little bit, and then we started rallying. And you see that's right when the earnings came out. So not random at all that they would want to push up the market right when this measured move is hit, and we come up short on this side of the channel, especially when the market is pulling back. So multiple reasons why we are seeing this pullback. And I'm looking for that $9 level and looking for more selling after that. I don't think this is the bottom. It could be not. Most likely it's not. But I'm looking for a retest of these lows at the very least. So very easy to do TA on this chart. Most YouTubers have been wrong on SOFI for a long time now. But since I'm a trader, I look at the short term and medium term and long term technical analysis, and that's how I'm pretty accurate. However, most of the YouTubers just think the market continues to go up and up, and most likely or eventually they might be right, because SOFI might be a great company in the future. and it might do very well. We might see surpass these all-time highs by a large amount. But whenever you want to be buying a company that's not having any that's losing money, net income is negative, you want to buy at the cheapest price possible. So that's why if I want to enter this, I'm going to wait for this downtrend pattern to finish and possibly pick up SOFI when it's like really cheap, maybe at the $2 or $3 level, not around the $17 or $18 level. That's just insane. That's a big drop so far. As right now, we've been working lower. I'm looking for a break of this channel, and once we get that break, we're probably going to get another push down to the lows. So I would say my first target for the bulls is at the $9 level. Then from there, I'm expecting selling back down to the $4.74 level, and then probably enter the $3 level. So that's everything I have for SOFI on the daily chart. Let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. Here we have the weekly chart for SOFI, and you can see that we've been far away from the EMA for a long time. That's why you don't want to use indicators for predicting where prices can go, because we can stay overextended from it for a long time. You can see that EMA acts as a magnet, and normally we pull back to it, but in this case we didn't pull back to it for such a long time. So if people were trying to pick bottoms and trying to play a reversal back to the EMA, they probably got stopped out because we stayed extended from it for a while. But now it looks like we could pull back to it. I'm looking for at least a $9 level, and that would give a chance for the EMA to catch up, and that's when prices will meet it on the weekly chart, and we'll probably see one more push down to complete the downtrend pattern. So looking for lower price targets. I don't think this is a bottom. It's kind of ridiculous to have this downtrend in play, and then you see SOFI go up 20% in a day. Just not anything that would change my mind. I'm still looking for lower price targets. Technically, it's still weak. We've had numerous pushes up before, so really nothing to write home about. We did have this, look at 34% gain right here from the lows. We had this major pop up right here, and then we started selling off. So looking for lower price targets, and I'm pretty sure the stock will play out how I predicted, but again, it's not guaranteed, just most likely to occur, and I'll give you guys an update if anything else changes. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.